What's up? Where are we? Oh my gosh. How many miles do we have to go? Have we planned that far yet? How many days?
12 days.
Is that enough, Rick?
That's gonna be plenty.
This is Rick's first time in Vietnam. We got Nat, we got Will, I'm Travis. 12 days. What's our gang called? Do we even know?
Oh yeah, it hasn't developed.
So far we've got the 2019 Epic Motorbike trip.
Yes.
All right, so yeah, here we go. Any first words y'all want to say?
We will be safe and have a lot of fun.
Let's do this. Good morning, Vietnam. Hello.
See you out there. Will had a fantastic idea regarding this road trip. Will, what do you think we should have?
A war cry.
A war cry. What should it be?
I don't know. We need to...
Ow! Ow! Let's hear it. Ow! Rick! Rick, what do you think? Looks like fun, huh?
It looks like a blast.
You want to go out there and do it?
I do not.
We never knew where we were going to stay. We're just going to take the trip day by day, moment by moment. How do you feel about that?
I think it's a fantastic way to travel. Just hanging with the locals, getting to know some of the local culture, some of the good food. We had lunch and let's just call it the Boondocks. And the Bahn Mi sandwiches were absolutely amazing. It's a little baker who makes his own what kind of bread is that?
Baguette?
Their own baguettes. They're fantastic. The food was phenomenal.
So yeah, here we go. We're just chilling out. I'm trying to get a ride on one of these, but they won't let me get on. Well, I tried. I didn't speak the local language. What'd they say, Nan?
It's not easy.
We have a rule here in Vietnam, and anytime we have an idea that pops in our mind, the number one rule is what?
Do it.
All right, here we go. I'm on. Yeah. Yeah, get out. Yes. Oh my God. Get here.
Oh, that looks so good.
Oh God.
Oh my God. Oh, his idea.
Oh my God, we're in a tight space. Will,
Turn around, buddy.
what's up?
Can't breathe.
How did we go today? Hey, what's our war cry?
Okay, this is day 3 of the trip, and we are here at the lake of Pleiku City. It's called Biển Hồ Pleiku. It's a big and huge lake. That's it.
we just had lunch, day 3, and we only have one thing so far to say. So it looks like we took a wrong turn, but not by much. They're a few hundred yards down the road. I stopped, we'll come back, we'll do a U-turn, head back up that way and get back on course. It happens. We're going the wrong way. We're going the wrong way.
Awesome.
We missed our turn.
Perfect. That's what we want. Where's our new destination?
We're heading toward Laos right now. You want to go to Laos?
Yes.
We're heading to Laos. We're going that way. Dude, they said it's weak, but you go first, all right? Hey, you won't die if it falls. It'll just be a long fall to the water. It's all right.
Should be all good.
This is like Indiana Jones, Temple of Doom stuff, right? Remember that ending scene? Oh my God. Good luck. We're all counting on you. I'm recording just in case the bridge falls. Dude, you sure about this? He said it's in really bad shape. You going for it?
Stress it out with 2 of us on there. Let's do it.
Oh my God. Oh, see? On second thought.
This is Starbucks. This is where Starbucks is grown.
Yes, exactly.
It's like Grande Mocha.
Bite it, dude. Just tear it off and bite it. Wow, what in the heck just happened, Rick?
We saw the suspension bridge. It's probably been around since the 40s, God knows when, and decided to go across it. Pretty amazing.
Hello, everybody! Hello! Where's everybody going? Hello! We're creeping in the jungle, deep in the boonies of Vietnam. Let's go. Good luck, Will. You got this.
That's spicy for me.
They love the baguettes, so anytime we can have these for breakfast, absolutely. We're cranking up the karaoke machine. Time for some Johnny Cash in the middle of the day. Here we go. The ring of fire, the ring of fire. It burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire, the ring of fire. I don't know where the guys are. Gotta find it. I love hearing the rain just splattering on the leaves of the jungle. That is the coolest sound ever.
Hello! Yeah! There we go. Oh man! Another song? Oh yeah! I got a train a-coming, it's rolling around the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. I've never switched folks eating from a fancy dining car, the proper drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. Well, I know I have it coming. I know I can't be free. You got this part well. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. But these people keep moving, and that's what tortures me. Oh, here we go. Round two. We gotta chug it. 4, 5, 5, go!
So we're starting the day visiting the battlefield of Hamburger Hill that occurred May 10th to May 20th, 1969. And this is a small museum. We can learn more about the battle that took place here in Vietnam. Well, here we are hanging out with Sua. He's our guide as we climb the slopes of Hamburger Hill. We're just kind of thinking about everything that happened on these grounds. Right now, it's quite surreal.
This contract moment.
Wow. So this is the airport where they did resupply missions and training, and one of the primary reasons why Hamburger Hill was of such strategic value back then. It's the top of the airstrip of where they did that years ago. I never thought I'd ever be here. Wow.